Ever notice your collection only grows when you're not okay? When life's good, I forget these exist. When life's bad, suddenly I'm refreshing, tracking pages like they're gonna tell me everything's fine. I don't buy toys because I'm happy. I buy them because they arrive. They make sense. They come with instructions when nothing else does. They don't argue. They don't judge. They don't ask why I'm quiet lately. Every figure on the shelf isn't a victory. It's a timestamp, proof I made it through a week that didn't care if I did or not. People joke and call it retail therapy, like it's shallow, like it's dumb, but sometimes it's the only thing that gives the day a shape. I wasn't filling a shelf, I was filling the space where momentum used to live. And yeah, maybe it's plastic, maybe it's ridiculous, but it stayed when other things didn't. So if your collection only grows when you're unhappy, that's not weakness, that's survival. Leaving receipts, the shelf isn't a shrine. It's a record that you're still here.